For just over a decade, Grenada has functioned with what some consider to be archaic labor laws. Trade unions and workers have been clamoring for change. The issue was brought up during the recent town hall meeting organized by the government.
Now, I believe, I'm not sure if I'm correct, but I think the labor code dates to the 1990s. And the world has greatly moved on as it relates to workers' rights, working terms, and conditions. And I really want to see the government look at doing something to improve the working conditions and working terms for the people, the working class of Grenada. And along with that, something we need to look at is a serious occupational safety and health legislation. I've worked in construction work for many years in this country, and I've worked on some scaffolds that were straws and twigs and straw strung together with glue. And when the wind blows, it sways left and right. And these things are not good. We need real occupational safety and health for our people. Too many of us work in dangerous workplaces. We're afraid to speak up. Something needs to be done about that.
In addition to safety in the workplace, the government is being called upon to address wages and remuneration. Labour Minister Claudette Joseph said that is also on the cards.
Currently, in the process of reviewing the entire labor code. And you are correct, the labor code dates back to 1999. There were a few small amendments along the way. So, along with the Wages Advisory Committee, the Labor Advisory Board was also set up in September thereabout, and they are also in the advanced stages of reviewing the code and making recommendations to the government for improvement, and that includes occupational health and safety policy that would be put forward. So these matters are attended to.
The Labour Advisory Committee is being headed by economist Curlin Gilchrist. Members include representatives of the Chamber of Commerce, the Employers Federation, and the Labour Movement. The Wages Advisory Board was reconstituted on September 1st last year and has a 3-year mandate. Dr. Gilchrist and team have been mandated to begin a series of consultations with major stakeholders with a view to revising and broadening the scope of the minimum wage order, which has not been reviewed in the last 11 years. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.